Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about midpoints and angle bisectors. Now first, let's draw a picture. Here you have a segment and here you have ray. Now which one of these pictures is midpoint? It is A or B or C. So the first one, A. Now a midpoint is a point that divides a segment into two congruent segments. So the first one is not midpoint because we have line. The second one we have segment, so this is a midpoint. And here is not midpoint because we have ray. So midpoint always found on segment. Now let's say if you have here a segment and we have here a ray. Here you have segment RS, here you have 5 and 5, and here you have A, B, and this point is X. Now what conclusions can we draw from this diagram? Now if Rx is congruent to XS, that means that X is a midpoint of segment Rx, which means we have Rx is congruent to XS, which means that ray AB is a segment bisector. Ray AB bisect RS into two congruent parts. Now let's move to angle bisector. An angle bisector is a ray that bisects an angle into two congruent parts. So let's say if we have two rays, and you have ray A, B, C, D. So if you have here, if angle A, B, C is equal 60, so if ray BD is a bisector and angle bisector, that means that angle ABD has to be 30 and angle DBC is a 30. So here you have 30 and here you have 30. Now let's move to the question. So let's say if you have a segment AB or AC, and here you have a midpoint B. Now if B is the midpoint of segment AC, what is the length of segment AB if BC equal 5x minus 8? So let's say if you have here 5x minus 8 and here we have 2x plus 4. What is the length of segment AB? We need to find AB. So first we have B is midpoint, so segment AB is congruent to segment BC. So we have AB is equal to x plus 4 and BC is equal 5x minus 8. So we can find AB. Now we take 2x from left to the right and minus 8 from right to the left. So we get 4 plus 8 is equal 5x minus 2x. 12 is equal to 3x, and if we divide both sides by 3, we get x is equal 4. Now AB is equal 2 times 4 plus 4. AB is equal 8 plus 4, which is 12. So if AB is equal 12, that means BC is equal 12 also. And if we want to find AC, all we need to do is add 12 plus 12. So AC is equal 24. So this is the final answer. Now another example. So if we have angle bisector, you have A, B, C, and you have D. Now if ray BD bisect angle ABC, what is the measure of angle ABD if angle ABC is equal 11? So this angle is equal 11x plus 5, and angle DBC is equal 5x plus 6. Angle DBC is equal 5x plus 6. We need to find angle ABD. Now first, angle ABD is congruent to angle DBC. So if you find angle DBC, we can find angle ABD because the angle DBC is equal angle ABD. And to find angle DBC, we write DBC is equal half ABC. So we have 5x plus 6 is equal 11, or half times 11x plus 5. Now we multiply the equation by 2 on both sides to cancel the fractions. So we have, here we have 2 cancel with the fractions, so we have 11x plus 5. We have 10x plus 12. Now we take 10x from left to the right and 5x from right to the left. So we get 12 minus 5 is equal 11x minus 10. So x is equal 7. So you have x is equal 7. Now we replace x here in angle DBC. So we have angle DBC is equal 5x plus 6. Angle DBC is equal 5 times 7 plus 6. Angle DBC is equal 35 plus 6, and 35 plus 6 is equal 41, and equal angle ABD. So angle ABD is equal 41. So this is the final answer.